Well, I hope we get in this one.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday to everybody. Wednesday is traditionally the most exciting day of the week. There are 2 times we need 3D glasses a little later, and I'll let you guys know when that comes up. Be prepared out there. Our tour today features loud noises, sudden tram movements. There's fire effects, water effects. You want to have your cameras out to get some good pictures, but hang on to them tight and watch out that they don't get wet. We're making our way down the Universal timeline right now. On each side of us, you can see highlights from different years of production here at Universal Studios. We're up to 10 Best Picture winners now. We got our 10th one just this year with the movie Green Book, filmmaker. And the next thing we're going to see here is King Kong 360 3D that he made especially for our tour. A continuation of the King Kong story just for us. But before we get in there, just a brief safety announcement. We get rocking around pretty good in here, so hang on tight and get those 3D glasses ready. Peter Jackson will tell you when it's time to put them on. They can show you what time period something takes place in. Sometimes they're just there for stunts, and sometimes they're superheroes themselves, like these Fast and Furious cars here on your left. Or a Jurassic World gyrosphere. The gyrosphere, if you remember, was completely covered in glass in the movie, but not real glass. It was all computer glass. They added in later for a variety of reasons. That Bradley fighting vehicle, the tank there, is made out of plywood, but looks like metal. So, you know, we specialize on making things look as real as possible, but just enough to fool the camera into believing things are real. And in turn, we believe they're real too, if they do a good enough job.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
And we've been welcoming people to Jurassic Park since 1992. That's when the very first movie came out, directed by Steven Spielberg. And in this next area, you're going to be surrounded on both sides by set pieces from those first 3 films. The boat on the right side is from Jurassic Park 3, and the mobile lab on the left is from the second film, The Lost World Jurassic Park. And there's a little movie playing in the windows for you.
Oh, cool.
And up, there's the actual dinosaurs. You'll find out what I'm talking about in car 2 right about now. And here we're entering our old Mexico portion of the back lot. And we'll do a little weather demonstration for you here. Filming in California is both good and bad. You get nice weather most of the year, so you can film outdoors all the time. But we don't get a lot of rain.
Woo!
Lightning. Thunder. So that's all you need to know. I think a storm is a brewing. And even if we did get a lot of rain, there's no guarantee it's going to rain the day you want it to rain, or as long as you want it to rain when you're filming your scene. So you make the rain yourself.
Oh.
It's pretty simple. They're just sprinklers. You get a flood. Flash flood effect was in the movie Big Fat Liar, starring Frankie Muniz and Paul Giamatti. And it was in Lady Gaga's video for her song Judas. She stands right in the middle of that flood at the end of her music video.
Oh my god. Don't tell me it's gonna come up here. Yes, it will.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, here.
That was our first celebrity.
Right on time. 50% left in your camera.
I knew then this was a different kind of magic. Very dark, very powerful. But until tonight, I had no idea just how powerful.
Good bang for the buck. More bang for the buck, actually.
Yeah. Universal Studios, Hollywood.
Welcome aboard the Metro Expo line. This train's final destination is downtown Santa Monica Station.
This is a single patty, no cheese. This is a double patty. Way more calories.
We are walking towards the airport now. Our flight is about 4:05 p.m. LA time. Habibi is just right there. Oh my god. Okay.
Back home.
We are finally back in Edmonton. We're walking towards the condo. That was a fun trip. It's actually a smooth flight as well. And I'm gonna edit this video once we get home, maybe tomorrow, or maybe tonight or tomorrow. So, and I'll post it on YouTube. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. Habibi is just right there. Habibi. Okay. Alright. Okay, we'll see you then. And thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Hello? Hello? Hi!
Oh my god.
Hi! How did you do? Huh?
Hey, I'm home. Home. We're home.
Hi!
She's purring.